Hi, welcome to Turkey Creek Nature Preserve, one of Burro Plains Trust's biggest properties. One of the things that makes this place so special is the amount of fossils you can find. Today we're going to be exploring the different kinds of fossils you can find here and where to find them. So let's get started. This certainly does not look like the Iowa we know, rolling fields and corn on the cob. However, millions of years ago, this is what you'd see if you were standing at the Capitol in Des Moines. Hard to believe that Iowa was once completely covered in warm, shallow seas. The underwater scene was bursting with life. Hundreds of species of coral and other marine life existed and thrived in the warm water. Today, we are able to see the diversity that existed through fossils.
We have reached the trailhead for Turkey Creek, and we're going to go down to one of the many access points that we have and check out some fossils. So come on. Fossils are abundant in Turkey Creek. You can find them along the edge, you can get into the creek bed and play in the water and find them there. You can also hop onto our little island over here and you'll also be able to find some fossils. So let's get to it.
This is an example of a complete crinoid fossil. The stem that we just found attaches itself to a hard surface like a rock on the seafloor. The feathery appendages at the top collect food. It is very rare to find a complete fossil such as this. However, crinoid stems are very common at Turkey Creek. As you hit the southern line of the property, right before you walk up this ridge behind me, to your right on the hillside is actually another treasure trove of fossils, so you don't have to be in the creek to find them.
These are some really amazing fossil finds around here. So they look almost like shells you pick up at the beach, but there are some major differences. As you can see, they're symmetrical on both sides of the midline. Because of this, they're actually not related to clams or oysters. Fortunately, they do have descendants that live today. There are approximately 300 species of brachiopods still alive today. Currently, they are most prolific in deep sea trenches and near the poles where the water is cold.
There's a couple different types of fossilization that can happen. Most commonly found at Turkey Creek are mold and replacement. Replacement is when hard minerals start replacing the organic matter of the animal. That's what we see here in this brachiopod example. 99% of the life that used to be on Earth is actually not fossilized. What we're finding here is a real treasure, and part of the 1% that actually is.